Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to crochet this cute little heart applique. It's quick, beginner friendly and takes only a few minutes to make. So you can use it to decorate baby blanket, hats, bag, keychain, bookmarks, hair clips, anything. So let's get started. Here we have our yarn, the crochet hook and a scissor. So first we will make the magic circle. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull the strand, twist. Then for the magic circle we need to make 3 chains. So we will make 1, 2 and 3. So we made our magic circle and 3 chains. So the next step is we need to make 3 triple crochet to the magic circle. So we will make, for the triple crochet we need to yarn twice. Then we will insert the hook, pull up the loop. We have 4 loops on the hook. So we will make our triple crochet. Yarn over, pull up 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. So we need to make 2 more triple crochet to the magic ring. So we made 3 triple crochet to the magic ring. Now we need to make 3 double crochet. First we made 3 triple crochet, now we need to make 3 double crochet. So we made 3 double crochet. Look at this. So the next one is we need to make 1 chain. Chain 1, and we will do again 3 double crochet to the magic ring. So we made our 3 double crochet. Now again 3 triple crochet. So if you want, like you can adjust the magic ring in between. We will make 3 triple crochet. So 1 more triple crochet. So we did our 3 triple crochet also. Now the next one is we need to make 3 chains. 1, 2, then 3. Then we will slip stitch to the magic ring. Just take the slip, then slip stitch. Okay, then we can cut the edge. Okay, now just pull the magic ring tightly so the ring will close neatly. See, we made our crochet heart. So once you learn to make this heart applique, like you can make these kinds of hair clips. Like you just attach these two appliques in the crocodile clip, then it will become like a beautiful clip. Then the next one is I made one bookmark using this applique. See, I made one applique, then I add a long chain, like it's around maybe 50 chains. Okay, you can attach the yarn, you can make 50 chains, then it will turn out a beautiful bookmark. Then otherwise, if you want, you can make a bag charm. See, this one I made with using 3 appliques. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!